Hello students, this is a sum from Arun Sharma of chapter Allegations of level of difficulty 1 of CAT. Now this particular sum is a mixture of denominations and allegations. Let us go through this sum first. A bag contains a total of 105 coins of rupee 1, 50 paise and 25 paise denominations. Find the total number of coins of rupee 1 if there are a total of 50.5 rupees in the bag and it is known that the number of 25 paise coins are 133.33% more than number of 1 rupee coin. Now if you see that this sum is quite straightforward. A school student would, a school student can also do this sum, but the difference is in the approach. So if this sum is taken over by a school student, then that student will take three different variables. He might take x for rupee 1, that is there are x number of rupee 1 coin, then y for 50 paise coins, that means there are y number of 50 paise coins. Then that person can also take z as the number of 25 paise coins. Now the problem is that when we have three different variables, we have to frame three different equations, otherwise the problem will become indeterminate. However, this is solvable with three variables, but it is not at all applicable for CAT. If we follow the approach of three different variables in CAT, then it will take a long time and we might be able to solve this problem, but we will miss solving many other sums, okay, and that will reduce our CAT percentile. So we have to follow an approach which is accurate as well as less time consuming, and that is where learning different shortcut methods or shortcut approaches for CAT is applicable. So I will remove this portion first. So here there is one thing to note, is that the number of 25 paise coins are 133.33% more than the number of rupee 1 coin. Now this particular percentage, this 133.33, okay, 133.33%, this appears quite intimidating to us, okay, because we will have to remove the point, we will have to divide it by 0, then we have to let the number of 1 rupee coin be x, and then do x plus 133.33 percentage of x, so that we will get 25 paise coins. So it will be a long calculation. However, we can use some intelligence, we can use some shortcuts, some more insight of percentage chapter, and we can break this percentage. So this can be broken as 100% plus 33.33%. We can easily do that. Also this can be broken as 100% plus 33.33. If you slightly notice it, it is nothing but 100 by 33%. So 133.33% can be broken as 100% plus 100 by 3%. We are going to use this concept in finding out the number of points, okay. Now this is one concept that we have to remember, that is breaking this intimidating 133.33% into two easy pieces. Next we can see that we have four options over here, 56, 25, 24 and none of this. We are going to leverage these options in order to reach to our conclusion. This is another very effective and shortcut approach for CAT. Since for most of the sums we will have options, we can leverage options judiciously and can get our sum done very easily. Since the question is find the total number of coins of rupee 1, so our target is to find out how many 1 rupee coins are there. Now one point to note is that number of coins of any money, whether it's rupees 1, 50 paise, 20 paise, number of coins always has to be a natural number, right? It cannot be -1, -2, so it cannot be an integer, it cannot be decimal point, it cannot be 1.2, 1.3 like this. It has to be always a natural number, that means it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from the options we can use this particular information to find out a number of coins. So what we can do is that, let us take option number A. In option number A, we can see that it is 56. That means what number of rupee 1 is 56. Okay. If that is the case, then we can find out the number of 25 paise coins. It is given that it is known that the number of 25 paise coins are 133.33% more than number of rupee 1 coin. So in that case, what is the number of 25 paise coins? So previously we have broken this 133.33% in two parts. One is 100% and the other is 100/3%. So 100% of anything means, when I'm saying that a particular thing increased by 100%, that means what? That particular thing has been doubled. So if the number of 25 paise coins is 133.33% more than the number of 1 rupee coin, that means it is 100% and 100/3% more than this number of 1 rupee coin. So 100% more means what? It is the double of 56, okay, plus 100 by 3 percentage of 56. Now this is of course a natural number, no doubt, but if I try to divide this, it is not a natural number. So as a whole, this particular expression will not give me a natural number. It will give me something around, say, 112 plus this is going to give me 18 point something. So it is going to give me something around 120 point something. But number of 25 paise coins cannot be in decimal point. It has to be a natural number because number of coins it is, okay. So that means option number A is not the right answer. So we will go for option number B. In option number B, it says that number of rupee 1 coin is 25. We are choosing this option. If this is our choice, then let us find what is the number of 25 paise coins. So number of 25 paise coins, in this case again we will follow the same concept. First of all, we'll increase it by 100%, that means we need to double it. So 50 plus 100/3% of 25, okay. So that is again going to give me a non-natural number, okay, because 50 is natural number but 25/3 is 8 point something, so it's going to give me 58 point something. But 58 point something cannot be number of 25 paise coins because it always has to be natural number. So option B is not the right answer. Next, let us go for option number C. Here number of rupee 1 coin is 24. If that is the case, then what is the number of 25 paise coins? 25 paise coins. So it is again, as I said, 100%. So first of all, we need to double 24 and then we are going to have 100/3% of 24. So that is going to definitely give me a natural number because 24 into 2 is 48 and plus 8 is going to give me 56, which is definitely a natural number. So option C is actually slowly taking us to the right direction because option number C has actually satisfied our condition that number of coins has to be a natural number. So we have taken number of 1 rupee coin as 24 and number of 25 paise coins as 56. Next, let us see what about the 50 paise coins. So uh, according to our third option, number of 1 rupee coin is 24, number of 25 paise coins is 56, and what about the rest then? What about 50 paise coins? So if we can see that here it is given, another information is given that number of coins is 105. So number of 50 paise coins can be 105 minus 56 plus 24, which is going to give me 10. So that is going to give me 25 number of 50 paise coins as 25. Now how to validate that the information we have is correct? Here we see that there is another information given that the total amount is 50.5. So let's see what is the total amount that we got from our answers. So 24 1 rupee coins, so that is 24 into 1 plus 56 25 paise coins, so that is in rupees 25 by 100 plus 25 50 paise coins, so that is 50 by 100. So that is 24 plus 25 ones are 25 fours are, so that is giving me 14 4 and 51 52, so that is going to give me 14 plus 12.5. So if I add all of them, I'll get 26.5, and that will give me 50.5, which actually satisfies this particular equation, this particular information 50.5. Hence we reach to our answer, which is option number C. So this is what we need to learn for CAT, that in 90% of the sums, traditional approach will not help us. Whatever approaches we have learned in school might have to be unlearned, and new approaches for CAT, MAT, INMAT, ZAT, and many other competitive exams, including government exams, new approaches, shortcut methods need to be learned, so that within very less time we can actually do this type of sums, which might involve three different variables if done by traditional approaches.